like airplanes because they got wheels in there.
You can also land it in the water because the things at the side, it's buoyancy. I'm on a joke. Fucking lovely trigger. Are you going to get me?
I need to repair it. I fucked the rotors up by fucking landed it.
Because we were saying, well, I was saying, we could all go and get a blackbird each. Or, what the fuck?
Why did Dan just lie?
We could all go and get a blackbird each. Or get that Huey with the 2 guns on each side with the rocket pods and 2 blackbirds. And pure do an air assault on fucking an objective. What happened?
Sounds good to me, mate.
Aye, aye. You just not getting blackbird.
Yeah, fuck it, man. Might as well, eh?
A lot of these videos are starting to start the same with getting in helis. Oh, they're already in there. Where have we gone, boys?
West, don't know.
Atlas Red 1 to all stations. We are on task. Moving to secure Point Washington. Out.
Aye, we'll go for Washington. The main road, if you follow the main road, it leads right to Washington. It's the first turn as you go into the green.
It's this town here, it's this town here.
Yep. Fucking done it again, man.
My chopper's down, boys. I need picking up. I need picking up, boys. I need picking up.
Aye, where are you? I'm coming.
Just here, right?
Hey, at the landing.
Aye.
I don't know what even happened. My blaze just come off and that was it.
I dunno ken. Ah. Ah.
Hey, just did a barrel roll.
Aye.
I have to get to a certain height.
What do you call that? A barrel roll or a lip to lip?
Uh-oh. I'm alive!
I'm not coming to get you.
God damn it. Won't let me spawn in for a second.
Aye, sometimes you get the 30 seconds. Aye, I thought it would be easier trying to.
With mouse and keyboard.
Aye, I'm. And I thought it would have been flying with a mouse and keyboard, with a controller, but it's no, man. I fucking because the left analog stick is up and down. And
Pitch. Or whether it's a vertical pitch or whatever.
I'm still killing enemies. The cunt must have been fucking dying, bleeding it slowly.
We've all pushed ahead.
Aye, it sounds I was because I need to caps lock to get up to.
Ah, okay. They were looking onto me.
That was capo. Oh, I'm a bit of distance. What to do, eh? Uh, uh, uh. I'm hit. Oh.
Yeah, I'm good, man.
got enough time for. Oh, look at that, there's one already sitting here. Causes a spawn tube and trigger.
Yeah, I think a lot of them are dead now, but still a few scattered.
Yeah, there is I seen a couple on the way back in, they're on like across the road. Across the main road, roady bit and
Yeah, yeah.
but then when I was coming in for that last one, the sun was kinda in my eyes, so I was fuck. I just think it's bleeding it. Because obviously my kills are still going up the now. And I think it's just because they're bleeding it.
Yeah, you're probably right, man. They don't seem to heal them like they used to, and like everyone on that, they help each other. On here, they don't really seem
I
to.
know they've not got any meds in that, but the AI's like set to fucking expert plus or something, man. I think a shitload more of them's just spawned in, like.